So here we have the 2003 Lexus Sc convertible. So this one's the one with the brown interior. Right now I'm just going to walk around it, show you any nicks or scratches that I see on the vehicle body. No dents, just a few scratches here and there, which is understandable for the age of the vehicle. And then we'll go inside and start her up. So this is the inside. It has this gorgeous brown leather. See? There we go. And then I'll also shoot a video of the engine. So this is what it looks like. Here is the dash. So it looks like it does have, I want to say, some discoloration right here. The screen itself seems to need some sort of replacement. Still has 84,000 miles on it. And then a glove box, cup holders, and middle console. And then I'll go ahead and take a picture or a video of the engine as well. So here we have the engine. The belt seems to be fine. And then I'll also shoot the trunk as well. So this is how much space you have back here. But yeah, there we go.